One of the features of the dosing Smartwash are these mixing tanks, all right, in the front, your dosing tank. So this one is for post-rinse, and this one is for your SH and sticky surfactant. The reason that we hold it to 7 gallons in this instance is that we don't want to have to worry about mixology in our 50-gallon tank. You come back to the shop each day, it's going to have a variable amount of SH left. You just refill it, top it off, you're good, because you will precision mix 1 pint of sticky into this tank when this tank is empty by refilling with the electric pump from the backup tank of 50 gallons. Post-rinse is similar in that instance in that you are spraying 70 gallons of post-rinse, okay, out of a 7-gallon tank, and if you need more, it's 3 gallons of post-rinse and the rest water to top off this tank.